Hello students. Application of logic. Logic can be applied in switching network. That means the circuit. Circuit contain a lamp. It is always we used to denote it by L, and it is controlled by the switches. So switches is denoted by S. More than one switch is there, means S1, S2, S3. Now the S1, S2, S3, that means the switches are closed. For example, S is given means it is closed. Closed means it is the switch is on. Switch is on. Then S dash, it is the switch is open. Open means it is off. So suppose first switch S1, it is closed, so on. Then its opposite state is S1 dash, that is open, that is off. Now listen, the symbolic logic can be used to represent the circuit by a statement pattern. A symbolic logic can be used to represent circuit by a statement pattern. Switches having the same state will be, same state means closed, can be denoted by the same letter S or S1, S2, S3 in this way. Which having opposite state is S1 is closed, S1 dash is open, that means it is on, another one is off. It will be denoted by this way. So, and moreover, we used to convert that one to statement pattern. Will statement form, the symbolic form, will write P is switch S1, Q is switch S2. In that way you are going to write. Now suppose the switches are connected in series or parallel. How the symbolic, the logical connectivity we are going to use, listen. Here it is in series. Two switches are in series. These two are in series. Therefore, it is S1, it is S2. First we have to define. First work we have to define what is P, what is Q. Listen, this is P. First one is P. P is switch 1, Q is switch 2, and L is a lamp. You have to define this one first. Then we have to write, listen, it is series connection. Series connection means we can write it is SP, it is Q. So to current pass through first one and second one, then only from the battery the current will pass through first one and second one. Therefore the symbolic form is P and Q. Then after write the symbolic form, you can write the input output table, otherwise switching table it is called. Now P, Q, we used to write the truth table, true, false. Instead of true you are writing 1, instead of false you are writing 0. The same table pattern you are going to write. It is for series connection. Series connection means and the current flow should be continuous. If it is first one and second one should be closed. First one and second one should be closed. Then only, see, it should be closed. First one and second one should be closed. Another one, the parallel connection. Suppose the first switch is in this way, second one is in this way. It is S1, it is S2. So we will define P. So the light will be here. It is battery, light will be here. Listen now. First one, the current can move through first one or through second one, or So it is PRQ. We can use it is PRQ. See in the next slide it is. Now listen, it is a parallel connection, S1 and S2. Now here P we have defined, Q also defined, L is a lamp. So input output table is PRQ is the symbolic form, PRQ. The current can pass through the first switch, otherwise second. Both the case will get the successful. So now listen, see this one. Here we have to form a input output table. To form a input output table, first of all you have to write the symbolic form. Before write the symbolic form, it is S1, S2 and S1 is used here, S2 is also used, and one more is S2 dash, S1 dash. This 4 are used over here. So S1, S2, S1 dash and S2 dash. Now listen, here first we are going to S1 and S2 are in parallel connection. These 3 groups are in parallel connection. 3 groups are in parallel connection. That means, listen, first one is parallel to second one, it is parallel to third one. These 3 are or first one or second one or third one. First this one. Then S1 you are going to denote P. It is switch S1 is closed. Now Q is S2. P and Q are S1, S2 means, then what is S1 dash? That is negation of P. S2 dash is negation of Q. So we are getting everything clearly now. Listen, parallel connection is there. That's why the R is going to come. Now first one P R, this one Q R, but here S1 dash and S2 dash are connected in series. That's why here what will come? Negation of, 1 minute. Listen, it is first one P R Q. Yes, first one P R Q, or here the combination of 2, negation of P and it is series connection and negation of Q. So this is symbolic form. What is the input output table? Input output table means ordinary truth table for this statement, or the truth table for the statement. Listen, the same sum, how we have solved this one. See, P is switch S1, Q switch S2, L is a lamp. Then we are writing this one P or Q or negation of P and Q. See, P, first one P, it is P, Q, negation of P, negation of Q. Listen, first it should be P, R, Q, or negation of P and negation of Q. Negation of P and negation of Q. This is a symbolic form. In this symbolic form, listen, so it is written over here. This one should be verified. Check. So you will write the table. First P and Q are used. Negation of P, negation of Q we need. So it is 1 1. That is, we know how to write the symbolic, truth table. Instead of true true, false false, 1 1 0 0. So 1 0 1 0. Negation of P and negation of Q. So after negation of P and Q, listen, we will have to go for, to prove this one, PRQ we need. PRQ means the table of disjunction, and negation of P and negation of Q. This one also by using the AND table we will finish. Then the table. So everything is 1. Everything is 1 means it is true. All the statements are true means tautology. It is full of true. You no need to write the pattern, statement pattern. You have to find out only this much. So what are the possibilities are successful possibility. That means here all the possibilities are successful possibility. All the combination, different combinations are successful. Now let us go for the next one. Here listen, in this one there are three switches. Listen, first we will take P is S1 and Q is S2, R is S3 and negation of P is S1 dash and everything. Now listen, S1, R S2, this is parallel, R S2. Then see the next one, and S2, and it is. Here listen, so R S1 dash, S1 dash means negation of P, it is negation of P. So S1 dash, S1 is P, S1 dash is negation of P. Here what is the condition is there, listen now, it will be P, the current will P passing through P or Q, S1, and S2, it must pass through Q, and another one more possibility of R, S3, R S1 dash, negation of P. So it is a statement, it is a symbolic form. Listen, once again I am explaining this one. S1, S2, S3 are used. So one is P, one is Q, one is R. Then we are seeing S1 and S2. The S1 and S2 connected parallel. So S1 is P or Q. P or Q, it is 1. And next, see here, S3 and S1 dash, that is R negation of P. These two are connected in series by S2. S2 is Q. S2 is Q. So listen, P or Q, first decision, and S2. So then only and S2 and the next one. This is a statement pattern. Now listen, it is a symbolic form is clearly given here, P or Q and this one. So by using the truth table can be also using switching table. So it is input output table, otherwise the word will be used switching table. Listen, first PQR, all are true, instead of true we are writing 1, instead of false we are writing 0. So all the cases, first P or Q R table and R negation of P. So we are using the same one, we are getting. So what are the 1 means it is a successful connection. It is successful connection. Let us see some sums over here. Listen now. Here in this sum, except from the exercise, we will take the sums and do. This is given. First, let me discuss about this one. It is S1 dash, S2 dash, S1. Now, first I am going to see these two are in parallel connection. These two are in parallel connection. One R is going to come. Next, S1 dash and S2 are in series connection. First, I will define P, Q and L. Negation of P and Q, it is in series connection. It is negation of P and Q. It is P and negation of Q. Now we can select the first one, either first or second one. So in between R connection is going to come. R is going to come in between. So listen, so from this one, first what are the things we are writing, listen. First, what is P, what is Q, and symbolic form of this statement. This is here. Now I am going to use we are going to use the table. By using the table we are going to solve this one. So P, Q, negation of P, negation of Q we need. Then negation of P and Q, one column, negation of P and Q, one column. and P and negation of Q another column, then we are going to R. So we are getting 0, 1, 1. That means 0 means it is a false one, it is a successful one. First, second and third connections are successful one. So now let us discuss one more sum. Let us discuss the another sum. See here, actually these three combinations are connected series, but among this one S1 and S2, so first we will decide P, Q, R are the, first we will define what is P, what is Q and R. Now after define the PQR, we are going to see this one. It is PRQ. First one is PRQ. Second one is RQRR. Third one is RRP. So these are the three. In this, three are connected by series, that is first one and second one and third one. It is connected by series. Now listen, here clearly it is given this connection. Now we have to go for the table. From the table, first we will write what is P. First we have to write P, Q, R. Then there is no negation, PRQ and QRR. Then RRP. Then and for this first two, then the last. So listen, see the table. Listen, the same one we have proved by using the truth table. This is called, the truth table is also the input output table, otherwise it is called switching table. So here it is used, instead of true and false it is used 1 and 0 in the textbook. The same, instead of true go for 1, instead of false true bar go for 0. Now listen, another one. Suppose statement is given. Suppose a statement is given, you have to draw the circuit. If a statement is given, how to draw the circuit? For example, a statement is given. A statement, I have taken the statement. Listen now, symbolic form I am taking. Negation of P and Q are P or R. So P is there, Q is there, R is there, means S1, S2, S3, 3 switches. Negation of P means S1 dash. Now here I am going to see this way. Listen, R means first one is parallel to second one. First set and second set are parallel. First I am going to divide negation of P and Q, R, P and R. First decision is in this way. Second, I will decide what is P. P is S1, Q is S2, R is S3. Then listen, see this one. First two connection. This is negation of P, S1 dash. It is S2. Then R, it is S1. Another connection is S3. This is a connection is going to come. It should be connected with the battery and this one. So listen, the same one, P listen, see this one, clearly I have discussed. First, this is a symbolic form is given. I have taken P, Q, R because it is P, Q, R are used over here. That's why P, Q, R. Now my first decision is these two are parallel. These two are parallel. So first one negation of P, S1 dash, S2. This is one connection, and another one another connection is here. So listen, and these two are connected with light and battery. You are going to get the complete circuit, switching circuit you are going to get. One more sum we can discuss. See the symbolic form P and Q. It is one set. R parallel has come. It is negation of P and negation of Q or P or R. Okay, whatever, maybe. First one, this end, P and Q. Listen, P and Q are another set of connection, that is negation of P or negation of Q and negation of P and R. Yes. So P and Q means is these two are coming in the same line. Or another set, negation of P is separate, negation of P and negation of P and means it will be in the series P and negation of P, and these three are in parallel. Now listen, see this one. See, first one is P and Q. Next one, negation of P and series connection. Negation of Q, it is parallel, three are parallel. It is negation of Q is compulsory, negation of P is compulsory with all. So we are getting this connection. So listen, application of logic. So in the switching table, we can suppose the circuit is given, we can convert that one to symbolic form, and after come to the symbolic form, you can use input output table and we can find out the statement pattern. The same one, if some cases circuit is given, first one symbolic form is given, circuit is given, we have written the symbolic form, input output table. Second part, a circuit is given, we have to write the symbolic form, after the symbolic form input output table. One more type of sums, construct the switching circuit. That means symbolic form will be given, you have to form a circuit. Thank you.